Power Towers is a world-leading provider of powered, low-level access solutions. A wholly owned subsidiary of JLG Industries, we manufacture a range of low-level access equipment for construction, industrial and commercial applications. This familiarization session will focus on the inspection, operation, maintenance and storage of the Nano 25 and 35 machines. It will also provide information relating to the hazards, risks, mitigation measures, and situational awareness important whilst using the equipment. Viewing this video means you accept responsibility for the safe and proper operation of these machines, and that you will comply with all applicable laws and regulations required for their proper use. Power Towers recommends a new user of any mechanical access equipment, completes the required theory training, and receive a practical demonstration. The equipment user's employer is legally responsible to ensure employees are competent in the use of the machinery. Both machines are extremely simple to use. Watch as operatives deploy a Nano 25 and Nano 35 in a safe environment to full working height. So, what are the vital statistics? The Nano 25 is 1.19 meters long, 0.75 meters wide, and weighs 324 kilograms. The Nano 35 is 1.2 meters long, 0.76 meters wide, and weighs 432 kilograms. They will both lift a maximum weight of 200 kilograms to a maximum working height of 4.5 meters in 17 seconds and 5.5 meters in 20 seconds respectively. The machines may only be used indoors on hard, flat, gradient-free surfaces. Each has a maximum push-pull load of 200 newtons at full height. The Nano 25 and 35 are both certified to meet with regional access equipment standards in every territory they are sold. Section 1. Proof of competence. Operation manual and onboard information. As with all work equipment, you should read and understand the operation manual before using a machine for the first time. This can be found in the machine's document holder or online. Decals on the machines provide valuable operational, safety and emergency rescue information. However, these are user prompt only, and the operative must be competent in all aspects of the machine's deployment and operation. Pre-use inspection and operating procedures. The Nano 25 and 35 machines are subject to an annual maintenance procedure, as described in the operation manual. Depending on your jurisdiction, the Nano 25 and 35 may require regular inspection by an authorized body. Check with local authorities to confirm these inspection requirements. Nano 25 and Nano 35 pre-operation inspection. As recommended in the operation manual, operatives must carry out a 360-degree inspection of the machine before each use. Check any required authorized inspection certificate is up to date, and check the operation manual is in the document holder. If either of these are not valid or present, the machine should not be used. When inspecting, start at the gates and work anti-clockwise around the machine. As you progress around the machine, the railings should be checked for any signs of damage. Side 1. Push the gates to fully open and check they return to closed when released. Visually inspect the hinges and check the gates will not open outwards. Check all caster wheels are undamaged, rotate freely, and that the wheel locks engage correctly. Side 2. Moving right, check the red emergency stop button on the chassis engages and disengages. The machine is activated using a key, which can only be removed when the machine is switched off. The battery charge indicator alongside the key shows the level of charge through the position of the light on the gradient chart display. The bubble level indicator can be found at the front corner. Check the level indicator body is secure, the bubble is present and centered in the oil, and that the glass is not cracked. A protective wheel defender is situated at the very front of the chassis. Ensure each rotates freely and is not damaged. At basket level, the yellow hand control is magnetically held in place. Below the yellow control box is a coiled cable. Check for damage along its length and ensure it is firmly held in place at both ends. Side 3. Ensure the fixed wheels are free from damage and the circlips are present and secure. Ensure the 2 screws that hold the grey plastic tool tray are in place and that the tray is secure. Side 4. At chassis level, near the middle of the machine, you'll find the emergency hydraulic valve release mechanism. The Nano 35 has a higher platform with step access. Check the fold-away step is fully operational. Platform deck. Make sure the caster wheels are locked prior to entering the gate. Ensure the red battery isolator button on the chassis is in the out position. To do this, turn the key and pull the switch out. From above, visually check the handrails for damage. Check the harness anchor point is in place and secure. Check the plastic flip-top document box, ensuring the instruction manual is in place. Pick up the handheld controller from its magnetic holder. Visually check the surrounding area for hazards prior to elevating. Check that the emergency stop button works. Press the up and down arrows to check the machine operates, making sure the buttons spring back when released. The pre-use inspection of the Nano 25 or 35 is now complete. Section 2. Operating the Nano 25 or Nano 35. A worksite risk assessment must be carried out before work commences. You must have confirmed the machine is in good order. You are authorized to use the equipment and have a valid permit to work. Check the floor is hard and flat. The correct way to move the machine is as follows. Ensure the casters are unlocked, hold the guardrail uprights next to the platform gates, and push. It is important to check the surroundings and seek assistance for guiding the machine if near sensitive equipment, and to ensure the route is clear of debris. Be aware that the Nano 25 and Nano 35 machines are not insulated or earthed, and as such do not provide personal protection from contact or close proximity with a live electrical source. Ensure the machine will not block doors or emergency escape routes without permission, and have a clear procedure to follow in the event of an alarm sounding. Operating the Nano 25 or Nano 35 at the worksite. The machine should be pushed to the target area and the caster wheel brake locks engaged. Ensure that rescue is possible from this position. Confirm the machine is level. Turn the key to the on position. Check the red battery isolator switch is in the out position. Check the battery charge level is sufficient. Look up, down and around, checking overhead and in the immediate surroundings for hazards, including those from conflicting equipment. Look towards the yellow control box to ensure the emergency stop button is out and in the live position. You can now press the up and down buttons on the control box until the desired working height is reached. Continue to check for conflict and sensitive equipment. On completion of the task, lower and exit the platform, unlock the caster wheels and move to the next target area. Section 3. Rescuing an incapacitated operative from height. If you attend the scene of an incapacitated machine operator, stop and check the area for personal risk. Ask, why is the machine user incapacitated? Shout for help. Press the emergency stop button. If it is safe to do so, locate the hydraulic emergency lowering mechanism. Before doing anything, make sure you understand the controls. Ensure the area beneath the machine is clear. Hold the red cap, push, and then twist 90 degrees anti-clockwise and release. The machine will slowly descend to ground level. Pushing and twisting the knob clockwise will stop the descent. To remove the gates, first pull the cable to release the locking pin, and then proceed to pull out the hinge pin. Do this for both top and bottom hinges. Reassess the risk, await assistance, and then remove the incapacitated operative from the platform. Section 4. Battery charging. Charging should be done in a well-ventilated area. The charging lead is located on the exterior of the machine base. Ensure the battery isolator switch is off prior to charging. Plug into an adequate power supply and ensure the LED illuminates. If the LED flashes, disconnect and reconnect to the power supply. If flashing continues, seek technical support. The LEDs will illuminate in sequence, and when fully illuminated, the charging is complete. The battery charger can be connected to the main supply at any time and left for extended periods. The machine can be operated when the charger is connected, although this is not recommended. All main supplies should be protected with a suitable RCD. Section 5. Transportation and storage. In order to avoid damage, the Nano 25 and Nano 35 must be transported in accordance with the operation manual. Under all circumstances, when the machines are not being moved manually, the two caster wheel brakes should be in the locked position. The machine has designated lifting points identified by decals at each corner of the chassis. Only approved personnel are permitted to lift machines. The machine can be lifted by forklift using lifting slot locations identified by decals at the front of the machine. Refer to the operation manual if the machine is to be moved using a forklift or truck. When moving the machine on a slope of over 5 degrees, the operator must have assistance and/or mechanical support to ensure the machine is under full control at all times. You should now be familiar with the use of the Nano 25 and Nano 35. Remember to consult the operation manual for any further information you may need, or contact Power Towers. Thanks for watching.